Tube X is closed at the bottom, open at the top, a closed A open pipe. A quarter wavelength fits in length L, so the fork resonates at frequency F. Tube Y is open at both ends. At frequency F, a standing wave cannot form in length L, so there is almost no resonance. For tube Y, the fundamental needs half a wavelength along L, not a quarter. That frequency is 2F and the pipe resonates strongly. The graphs show the displacement patterns. Tube X fits a quarter wavelength, tube Y fits half a wavelength. So lambda Y equals 2 lambda X. From the solution, F equals V over 4L for tube X, and Fy equals V over 2L, which is 2 times V over 4L, or 2F. The correct answer is option D, 2F.